Do you need to change your thermostat on your 2000 to 2007 Chevy Suburban? This will also work for other similar vehicles with the 5.3 liter, so your GMC Yukon and stuff like that. Well, in today's video, I'll be going over that. It's super simple and quick to do. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so coming in here, we look right down there. That's where we gotta get to. Now, in order to do this, we want to go ahead and take this little clamp off right here. Take our other clamp off right there. Make sure nothing else is connected to it, and then we'll pull it out. Okay, so you can get a flathead screwdriver or a 8mm will work. Just loosen that up a little bit. And we have one more right here. This little cover here. Has a little 8mm. If it's the Yukon, I believe it just pops off. Just gonna move that to the side for now. Alright. Now we'll just get this side on off. It is being a little stubborn. Okay, so this side's being a little stubborn. We're just gonna take a screwdriver, just kind of work it around. There. Okay, after you make sure nothing else is connected, it should just come right out. Okay, so at this point you gotta decide if you want to reclaim, the coolant that comes out, or if you're going to put fresh new coolant in. If you're going to reclaim it, you want to go underneath and look for the petcock and drain it out and catch it. But we're going to put new coolant in, so what we're going to do is put a pan under here, and we're just going to take it off and let it drain. For this thermostat housing, there's two 10mm bolts. One's right there, and then one is right there. Super simple. Don't gotta take off the hose, and you'll be able to pull it out. Make sure to throw your drain pan underneath. You don't want any animals getting it. It is sweet, and it will kill them. So don't let that happen. Dispose of it, properly, and you'll be good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this loose. Okay, so now you can get this top one here. Once you start loosening it, it should start draining. Okay, so now we can just go ahead and pull this off. You want this to come out. I'll have to get some needle nose pliers to pull it out. It's stuck in there. But you want the orientation to be the same. Okay, so comparing them, you can see that they're pretty much identical. Now this little thing right here, you want to go towards the top, so face it upwards. Okay, right here where this little golden thing is, you see it's got that little tab. So if we look there, here's where that little tab goes. Okay, it took two hands to do. It's hard to get an angle, but just get it in there. It'll seat in there pretty good. Now we just want to line it back up. Stick it in there, and once again, I'll have to use two hands, but just get the bolt started. Okay, so now all you're going to do is go ahead and tighten those back up, torque them to spec, and then after that, you can put the breather back on and fill it back up. So that's really all there is to the thermostat. It's a super simple job. It can be done like 5-10 minutes, but you do need to go ahead and fill the coolant back up, and after that, you're done. With that being said, if this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.